Hey guys, it's Sarah. So I'm doing a no face kind of video today, but I figured I'd show you a more legit, proper pack with me. I'll also show you what's in my luggage, I guess. So I'm actually leaving on Sunday. It's Friday afternoon, so I kind of have everything here now. I just kind of have to organize it. So I'll go through each pouch, I guess, because I have a total of, let's start off with just the makeup and skincare pouches. Here, this Japanese dango looking color coordinated skincare pouch just contains things for my mom. So I'm actually packing for her because we tend to share quite a few skincare products, but she'll be staying in the Philippines longer than me and my dad, so she needs her own toiletries before I leave. And this liquid here in a spray bottle is the Secret Key Tea Tree toner, and then here is her Nivea night cream that she uses. And then we just have some conditioner, some shampoo, and her St. Ives green tea scrub, which she uses on a daily. Also for my mom, I do have this Benton Cacao Moist and Mild Cream. This isn't really working for my skin because I've been using the CosRX lotion more. So I'm actually going to give this to her and let her use it up, but that's in my makeup pouch for now. So first I have the CosRX Acne Pimple Master Patch. This is just something I actually need whenever I'm traveling because with my short trips it takes a while for my skin to adjust in the new environment, and that pretty much causes me to break out and I can't avoid it, so I do need to pack these with me whenever I'm traveling. Sunscreen, the Klairs, what is this? Soft Air UV Essence Everyday Sun Protector. I recently just got this. Toner, this is what I've been using for the past month now, so I'm just going to stick to it, and I am just going to bring these two in its full-size bottles. Here I just have 3 Biore face strips to use as pore strips when I'm traveling, because sometimes I feel the need to use these, so I pack a few just in case. This Benton eye cream is actually for my mom, and it's like a really good travel size, so that will be with her stuff, but for now I'll just pack it here. The Thank You Farmer Back to Iceland cleansing water. Here is the Hamish refresh water in the mini 85 ml bottle size. So this is what I'm gonna pack with me. This will be pretty much my makeup remover as well with the cleansing water. And then here we also have the Hamish All Clean Green Foam. My camera's gonna die. No. So I'm also going to pack the CosRX oil-free lotion that I have in a travel size. So that's my skincare pouch. My camera's gonna die. Maybe I should charge it first. I'll be back. I'll now show you guys what's in this pouch. Start off with the tools since that's kind of in the way. I have this one brush from EcoTools, and I also have my other EcoTools travel brush kit. Onto the brushes. I did pack a few tools in here. This is something that might be quite random for others, but I don't know, I guess growing up in an Asian family, this is something that I'm very familiar with. It's an ear pick, and I tend to use these rather than a Q-tip. TMI. But yeah, this is just something I bring with me whenever I travel because I don't use Q-tips. And I also have some tweezers and an eyebrow razor. I am bringing 5 ColourPop brushes with me. Actually, you know what? I don't really need this brush, so I might put that aside. But these four I do enjoy a lot from ColourPop. And for Eco Tools, I have these 5 brushes here. I can only fit one of the larger brushes in here. And that's it. It's all snug in the container, and I know the bristles won't get damaged or anything, but this one I have no choice but to just pack it as it is, and that would go here. On the bottom I have this puff from Appeal, and then my Appeal eyelash curler that I use, and one of the, is it Rosy Rosa jelly sponge. And then I have my Laneige, I keep calling it Laneige, but it's the Laneige two-tone brow cushion, the Aditaum Pore Pack. I'm going to pack that as well. The Cosrx concealer, the Hanaka lip scrub. I could definitely transfer this, but I don't have a smaller container anymore, so I'm just gonna bring it as the full size. The Misha shadow. I've been using this shadow as blush recently. Lipstick or lip products, I'll be bringing my 3CE and Appeal True Matte lipstick, and they're both orange tones, so I'm just going to pack both because they're both different. I'm also going to pack this Holika liquid shimmer shadow and this Maybelline Curve eyeliner that I recently got. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna pack the eyeliner. I'm going to bring the Nakeup Face C-Cup Volume Lip Talks. It's like a lip plumper. And for this mascara from L'Oreal, I am liking it, but the formula isn't really up to my standard. I guess I'm just really used to the Etude House or Peri Peri mascara, so I might leave this behind and just buy one when I'm in the Philippines. So I think these 3 products will be put back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's actually quite spacious still inside, so I'm glad I didn't really overpack. Moving on to my travel pouch. This will be with me on the plane. And why am I running out of breath? Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. In here, I don't actually carry much, but this can complete my entire face makeup. So I'm bringing the Innisfree my palette, have my Gatsby blotting paper, because like I said, I'll be in 2 different warm countries, and my skin in the Philippines especially likes to really oil up, so I need that. And the Cosrx cushion. This is pretty much my foundation, if these guys couldn't tell from the stuff I was packing, but yeah, I don't really have intentions to pack a foundation with me, so probably if I run out of this, I will just end up buying another base product while I'm traveling, but for now, this is what I'll be using. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I just recently bought that. The only lip product I'll be bringing with me on the plane is the Peri Peri Ink Velvet in the shade number 8. This is my pretty much MLBB color that really matches me. And then my Etude House, let's focus, Etude House multi-oil that I could use for anything really. The plane can get really dry, so I do like to really hydrate my skin there. And I also have a what is this called? A travel perfume bottle. So that's that. Oh, if you're wondering what's in the bottle, it's the W Dress Room, I guess, perfume in the shade April Cotton. I just really like this clean laundry scent. It's very neutral, so I enjoy that scent a lot. That's it for my on-flight makeup pouch. This is the lost pouch. I have these 3 brushes. There's actually a 4th one that was like an angle brush, but I lost it. Also, I have some Q-tips here and a dry cotton pads, just in case for cleansing on the plane. And then here I have cotton pads again, saturated in the Hamish refresh water. And then I also have the Laneige water sleeping mask, and this works great, so I know this will be nice on the plane. And hand sanitizer. I always carry hand sanitizer with me, so that's that. And yeah, this will be on the plane with me. So these small brushes are what I would use with my Innisfree palette, and I guess that's how I create my simple makeup look on the plane. I tried to brighten the camera a little bit so it won't look too dark because the sun is setting, I think. But this is practically my makeup and skincare, so these 2 will be with me on board, and these 3 will be packed in my luggage. This is something that I do need. It's my hair straightener by Numi. As you can tell, I rarely have my hair naturally as it is. I always straighten it, and this is what I use. Thankfully, this is an American adapter, so all I have to do is take out the Australian adapter and just use it by itself, so it'll work in the Philippines. I guess I could quickly show you guys my bag, but I'll be bringing this bag with me to my trip. I'll only be gone for 2 weeks, but it's like the perfect size for me because I tend to not really pack a lot. These 2 pouches will go inside here, and I'm just using a card holder that I have. And if you guys can't tell, I really like green. And inside here I have a clear pouch that will contain loose change because I am only holding a card holder wallet, so this will just be for my travel money basically. I have a lollipop from my cousin. I'm just gonna keep it in my bag in case. Really, the things in here will just be those: my phone, my passport, and this. This might make me seem very over dramatic and extra, but on the plane I do wear these face masks because I don't know, I just really don't like being in planes, but you know, when you're traveling you really don't have a choice. So I wear this just to avoid getting sick. And move this aside for now. I do have a gadget pouch. Nothing too interesting, but it does contain my power bank portable charger, which is very thick, I know, but this lasts really long, so I'm taking that with me. I'll also be packing my phone charger in here, but I won't do that for now. And my camera charger, I'll pack that as well. And I also have my sunglasses with me. This is just a pair that I really use, but I will also pack this really fun pair, which is just a red lens glasses from ASOS, I believe. Other than that, this is my little camera bag pouch. It could actually be used as a makeup pouch as well, but I use this for my camera, and I just have a bunch of spare SD cards and adapters, so that's that. As for my luggage, I'll probably show you guys that in the next clip. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm so happy we're done now because I finally got that out of the way, and whenever I'm packing, makeup and skincare tend to be lost because I do use them, and I do tend to pack products that I know I like and that I know works great for my skin. So yeah, that's that. Okay, let's move on.